Hi cars lovers, and welcome to Top First Channel. Today we gonna talk about new BMW that gonna smash all limits of previous company crossovers you. But before we start, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to be in touch with the newest info about cars industry. And now, let's find out who behind the shadow. And the developers call the second row the M Lounge. There is a lot of legroom and heated seats, including head restraints. The interior is decorated with coffee-colored leather and dark blue nappa. Not only contour lighting, but also 100 LEDs in the ceiling are responsible for the atmosphere. Interestingly, genuine leather is chosen for XM, and not an artificial substitute. Trunk volume is 527 liters, with the seats folded down 1,820 liters. Under the hood is the new S68 engine, which represents the evolution of the V8 4.4 biturbo engine, adapted to work as part of a hybrid power plant. In the BMW XM, this engine has a low boost, 489 horsepower, and 650 Nm. The 8-speed, automatic, ZF, familiar to the company, has also been modified. Instead of a torque converter, a traction electric motor with a return of 197 horsepower was installed. and 280 Nm. At its peak, the hybrid system can produce 653 horsepower and 800 Nm. The serial crossover was equipped with a battery with a capacity of 29.5 kWh, usable capacity 25.7 kWh. It is installed under the floor. The range without recharging in electric mode varies from 82 to 88 km. The maximum speed on electric traction is 140 km per hour. The battery can be refilled from the outlet. The onboard charger has a power of 7.4 kilowatts. The car received an all-wheel drive system MX drive with a front axle coupling and an active rear differential. The curb weight of the XM is 2,785 kg. The hybrid novelty takes 4.3 seconds to accelerate from standstill to hundreds. The top speed of the BMW XM is electronically limited to 250 km per hour and 270 km per hour with the M Drivers package. As part of the premiere of the BMW XM, its top version Label Red was announced. The output of the Label Red powerplant will be increased to 748 horsepower and 1,000 Nm. This means that the top-end BMW XM claims the status of the most powerful production SUV in the world. The price in the USA has already been announced, $185,000. While the base version is asking $159,000. Assembly of the BMW XM will begin before the end of the year at the American plant of the brand. The optional driving assistant professional delivers an extensive automated driving experience with a combination of active cruise control with stop-and-go function and the steering and lane control assistant. With the automatic speed limit assist, route monitoring, traffic light recognition and active navigation, speed and steering movements can be adapted precisely to any traffic situation. The range of functions also includes the emergency lane and emergency stop assistant, the lane change assistant and crossing traffic warning. I see that the future is right in here and I am glad to be at time that has this ideas in cars. BMW worked so well for the worldwide market and I can't wait to see this car outside the streets. BMW will be going for cylindrical battery cells for the electric vehicles that it plans to introduce in 2025. The usage of these new cells by BMW will give these upcoming electric vehicles an increased range. Strategic approach. We focus on our customers and meet their needs which differ across the world. We combine pioneering technologies, emotional products and personalized customer support to create a unique overall experience. Do you like the design of the new BMW XM? Share your opinion in the comments. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to see more videos.